Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to merge two videos into one in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, open Premiere Pro and import the two video files you want to merge. Drag them onto the timeline, one after the other. Next, adjust the placement of each video on the timeline to ensure they are in the correct order. If you need to trim them, use the razor tool to cut and adjust the clips. Finally, export the merged video by going to File, Export, Media. Choose your desired settings and click Export. And that's it. You've successfully merged two videos into one in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.